Assignment operators. These operators are used to these operators are used to these operators are used to assign the value to the variables. In Python, the assignment operators can be categorized into three types. These operators can be categorized into three types. First one is called normal assignment operator. Normal assignment operator. Second one, shorthand assignment operator. And third one, walrus assignment operator. Normal, shorthand, walrus. Next subheading, normal assignment operator. The single equal to operator is a normal assignment operator. Normal assignment operator. It is used to assign the R value to L value. Single equal to operator is a normal assignment operator. It is used to assign the R value to L value. Now I'm taking as X is a one left side value. Now I'm trying to assigning the 10 to X. That means 10 is a right side value of the assignment operator and X is a left side value. We can assigning always R value to L value. Next one, shorthand assignment operators. The normal assignment operator which contains prefix with any another operator like arithmetic, bitwise. That type of normal assignment operators are called shorthand assignment operators. The normal assignment operator which contains prefix with any another operator like arithmetic, bitwise operators. The type of normal assignment operators are called shorthand assignment operators. Completed. Now observing very clearly. Now I am taking as x value is 10. Now I am using x plus equal to 3, x minus equal to 3, x into equal to 3, x and equal to 3, x are equal to 3. Now this type of operators are nothing but a shorthand assignment operators. The assignment operator which contains prefix means beginning, prefix with any another operator like as arithmetic or bitwise operator. This type of assignment operators are nothing but a shorthand assignment operators. Okay, x plus equal to 3 means x equal to x plus 3, x equal to x minus 3, x equal to x into 3, x equal to x under 3, x equal to xr3. That means x equal to x plus 3, 13, x equal to 7, x equal to 30, x equal to 2, x equal to 11. Completed. Next note, Python don't supporting, Python don't supporting both increment and decrement operators concept. Increment means like as a plus plus, decrement means minus minus operators concept, but we can achieve that concept indirectly by using shorthand assignment operators concept. Python don't supporting both increment and decrement operators concept, but we can achieve that concept indirectly by using shorthand assignment operators concept. Okay, observing very clearly in C++ and Python. I plus plus. I plus plus means I equal to I plus 1. I minus minus means I equal to I minus 1. Coming to the Python, I plus equal to 1, I minus equal to 1. I plus equal to 1 means I equal to I plus 1, I equal to I minus 1. This result is same. But in C++, Java, we are using increment and decrement operators concept. But in Python, we are using shorthand assignment operators concept. Next one, Walrus assignment operators. Walrus assignment operators. Colon equal to is a Walrus assignment operator. Assignment operator. Colon equal to. Without colon equal to, that is a normal assignment operator. Colon equal to is a Walrus assignment operator, which is used to perform both initialization and evaluation at a time. This operator introduced from Python 3.8 versions onwards. Before 3.8, this operator is not supported. This operator introduced from Python 3.8 versions onwards. Normally, I want to perform an addition operation, simply x equal to 10, that is initialization. Next one, I want to print x, this is evaluation operation. Next one, y equal to 20, print of y. Next one, print of x plus y. Okay, write this example. This is a normal example. Okay, right side another example. Okay, don't require this initialization here. Simply at the time of printing the X value, I am initializing the value. Don't require the statement. At the time of printing the Y value, I am assigning the value to Y. Same result. Okay, in the previous example, first we need to initialization, next we need to print the text. But here, both initialization and print statement at a time we can perform. Next one, identity operators. Identity operators. These operators are used to compare the address of the objects. These operators are used to compare the address of the object. Like if you want to compare the data of the objects by using comparison operators. If you want to compare the address by using identity operators. In Python, the identity operators are the identity operators are is not is not. The identity operators are is not. If addresses are equal, the is operator to return true. Otherwise, the is operator to return false. If addresses are equal, the is operator to return true. Otherwise, the is operator to return false. Next point, if addresses are not equal, the is not operator to return true. Otherwise, is not operator to return false. It is quite opposite to the is operator. If addresses are not equal, the is not operator to return true. Otherwise, the is not operator to return false. Completed. Now here I am taking as x value 10, y value 10. Now I want to compare the x data and y data. How to comparing? By using double equal to operator. My requirement, I want to compare the x address and y address. In that situation, we are using is operator. If addresses are equal, is operator to return true. If addresses are equal, the is not operator to return true or false. False, opposite to the is operator. If you interest, we can find the addresses manually, id of x and id of y. For suppose I'm taking as a equal to one list object, and b equal to another list object. Now a double equal to b, true. Now a is b. What is the output? A is a which object? Which object? List object. List is a mutable or immutable? Mutable. Different mutable objects having the same data but referencing into different objects in the memory location. ID of A, ID of B. These operators are used to these operators are these operators are used to these operators are used to search or find an element in a given iterable object. These operators are used to search or find an element in a given iterable object. In Python, the membership operators are in, not in, not not in. If element is find, element or character is find, in that case, in operator, the in operator to return true. Otherwise, the in operator, to return false. If element or character is not find, in that case, the not in operator to return true. Otherwise, the not in operator to return false. If element or character is not find, in that case, the not in operator to return true. Otherwise, the not in operator to return false. Now I'm taking as a one string object. Now I want to searching I character in X. Now true or false? K in X. Not in X. True or false? Now 5 in Y. True or false? 9 in Y. 8 not in Y. True or false? 7 not in Y. Next one, operator presidency. Operator presidency. Whenever our expression contains multiple operators. In that case, we need to identify which operator is executed, which operator is executed first, which operator is executed first, which operator is executed second, and so on. Which operator is executed last? Which operator is executed last by using operator precedency concept. Whenever our expression contains multiple operators, in that case, we need to identify which operator is executed first, which operator is executed second, and so on, which operator is executed last by using operator precedency concept. In our expression, the multiple operators having the same priority, in that case, we are following left to right associativity. In our expression, the multiple operators having the same priority. In that case, we are following left to right associativity. Python, the arithmetic operators arithmetic operators following PEMDAS rule. Generally, in mathematics, we are using Bodmer's rule. Here we are using PEMDAS rule. P means parenthesis is the highest priority. Next one, E stands for exponent. In Python, exponent means double star. Next priority, MD. MD means multiplication, division, floor division, and a mod operation. These four operators having the same priority. Least priority, either addition or subtraction. Python, the arithmetic operators following PEMDAS rule. First priority brackets, next priority exponent power operation, next priority either multiplication or division or floor division or modulo operation. Next one, in Python, the logical operators are following first priority and next priority R and R. First priority and operator, second priority R. Next one, in Python, the bitwise operators are following. Bitwise operators are following first priority negation operator. First priority negation operator. Second priority either left shift or right shift. Next one AND operation. Next one exclusive OR. Next one OR. Highest priority negation. Second highest priority either left shift or right shift. Next one AND. Next one exclusive OR and next one OR. X equal, I'm taking as a 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 1 by 2 power 2 minus 3 mod 2. You write this expression and what is the output? What is the output? This expression 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 1 means 2 by 2 power 2 minus 3 mod 2. Next priority exponent 3 plus 2 into 2 by 2 power 2 means 4 minus 3 mod 2. Next priority here multiplication and division and modulo operation. These three operators having the same priority. In that situation, we are following left to right which one associative. That means from left to right, which operator is occurred first, that operator logic is executed. When compared to star, division and modulo operation, which is the first occurrence operator? Star. Now star operation is performing. 3 plus 2 into 2, 4 by 4 minus 3 mod 2. Next one, division operation is performing. 3 plus 4 by 4 means 1.0. That is a single division operation. Single division operation to give the output as a floating point value. Double division operation to give the output as a integer part value. 3 mod 2. Next priority, mod operation. 3 plus 1.0 minus 3 mod 2. What is the remainder value? 2 ones are 2, remainder value is 1. Next one, plus operator. 4.0 minus 1. Now the result is 3.0. Completed. Next, another example. Y equal to true and not false, or not true and false, or false. Write this expression and what is the output. Okay, first priority AND operator, second priority OR operator. Anybody, what is the output? Okay, now observing very clearly. First one, this AND operator's logic is executed. True and not false means what is the result? True. Not false means true. True and true, true. Next one, this AND operator is performing. Not true and false. Not true means false and false. False and false. False. Next one, this OR operator is performing. True or false. What is the result? True. Next one, this OR operator is performing. Now, one input is true, second input is false. True or false? Z equal to 3 and 2 left shift 2 or 4 exclusive or 2. Now write this expression and what is the output. Left shift operator. Now 2 left shift 2. What is the result? 2 left shift 2. 2 means 0010. Left shift means we are moving the 2 zeros at left side. This is the binary value of 2. We are moving, apply the left shift operation. Now what is the result? 0010 and 00. Now what is the result? 8. This is the first operation. What is the result? 8 and R operator and exclusive R 4. 2. Next, when compared to these all operators, which is the highest priority? AND operator. Three and 8. 3 and 8 means 3 means what is the value? 0011. 8 means 1000. AND operator, both inputs are 1, then only output become 1. 0, 0, 0, 0. Now the result is 0. This result is 0 or 4 exclusive 2. When compared to these all operators, which is the highest priority? Exclusive R is the highest priority. 4 exclusive R 2. 4 means what is the binary value? 0, 1, 0. 2 means 00, 10. Now exclusive R. Exclusive R, both inputs are equal, output become 0. Inputs are different, output become 1. Here value is 0, 1, 1, 0. Now 110 means what is the value? 6 or 7? 6. This entire result is 0 or 6. 0 or 6. Zero, 6 means 0, 1, 0. Now R operator 0, 1, 1, 0. Now the result is 6. Now the result is 6. Now I'm trying to executing. Now the value is 6. Now observing very clearly, generally in any programming language, we can return any statement. By default, the statement is executed only one time. Don't writing. Again, not only Python, in any programming language, we can return any statement. By default, the statement is executed only one time. Okay, here it is the statement by statement execution. First one, the statement is executed. Next control go to the next statement. Next control will go to the next statement. Next control will go to the statement. This statement execution and this statement execution. This is nothing but a execution flow. My requirement, I want to control this flow. That means, for suppose I want to print these two statements any number of times. I don't want executing these two statements. In that situation, we need to control this flow. How to control that flow? By using some control flow statements. That control flow statements are nothing but a conditional statements and looping statements. Conditional statements means like as a if else, if else. In Python, we are calling as a if else. In C language, we are calling as a if else. Next one, for suppose I want to executing some statements repeatedly. In that situation, we are using looping statements like as a while loop and a for loop. For suppose control will go to this statement. Hi message is executed. Next one, Shiva and good morning message is executed. Don't go to next Krishna message. Then immediately control will go to again Shiva. Normally it is executed only one time. Now I want to control these statements or I want to execute it repeated number of times. After executing Shiva good morning any number of times, then immediately control will go to here. By statement, don't executing these two statements. I want to skipping. That means if you want to executing some statements any number of times or repeatedly, or if you don't want executing some statement at least one time, that means to skip the execution. If you want to executing some statements repeatedly, or if we want to skip the execution of some statements, in that situation, we need to control that flow. How to control that flow? By using some control flow statements. The control flow statements can be categorized into three types, like as a conditional, looping, and third one is jumping statements. Jumping statements are nothing but a continue and a break statements. For suppose here I am taking as a one number equal to int of input of enter your number. Next one, for I in range of number. This is a one looping statement. The looping statements are used to executing some block of statements repeatedly. Next one, I don't want executing Krishna and a good evening message. Simply we are taking as one condition. Whenever the condition is greater than 5, then only I want to executing the statements. In the previous example, all the statements are executed at least one time. Now here I am passing number is 5. Now 5 times this block is executed. Shiva, good morning. Shiva, good morning. Next control go to this one. Now check the condition. 5 greater than 5. Condition is true or false? False. Control will go to here. That means these block of statements are executed a repeated number of times. This block is not executed, it is skipping. Now control go to here. Okay, how to performing these operations? We are using control flow statement. This is a one looping statement. This is a one conditional statement. Next one, if you want to working with the control flow statements, we need to require two elements. One is called block and the second one is called element condition. What is the meaning of condition? Any expression to give the output as a Boolean value. That expression is nothing but a condition. For suppose here I am taking as x equal x comma y 10 comma 3. Now what is the x value and what is the y value? X value is 10 and y value is 3. Now what is the meaning of expression? Already we will discussing what is expression. It is a combination of both operators and operands. X is a one operand. Now I am taking as a one operator plus and y. Now this is a expression. Now this expression is a condition or not a condition? It is not a condition. Any expression to give the output as Boolean value, that is called condition. But this is a normal expression. X double equal to y. Now this is a condition. X into y. But this is a normal expression. X greater than y. Now this is a condition. X and y. Now this is a normal expression. 10 and 3, 2. X less than y. Now this is also condition. In looping statements or conditional statements, we are using conditions. Next, observing very clearly, all conditions are expressions, but all expressions are not conditions. Okay, this is also one expression. 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 But some expressions are conditions. That means all conditions are expressions, but all expressions are not conditions. Next one, how to representing the blocks. Anybody coming from C language, in the C language, how to define the blocks? How to define the block? Simply we are using curly braces. Okay, with
between braces.
They are written
Commands.
statements. This is nothing but a one block. In Python, we can representing the block. We are follow the space indentation concept. For suppose we can starting from this here. Next one, we can return some statements from starting from here. This is nothing but a block. Python, we can representing the blocks. We are following the space indentation concept, but in other language we are using curly braces. Control flow statement. This is a very, very important concept. Not only Python, if you want to learn any programming language, and if you want to understanding any program execution flow, these statements are very, very important. If anybody any doubt, please clarify your doubts.